Morning students, today we will be doing exercise 5.3 question number 1. Okay, so firstly the question is find the product means you have to multiply, you have to find the product of two numbers. Okay, then you have to multiply. Okay, it means you have to multiply. So here as you can see 44 multiplied by 2, 44 multiplied by 2 is equals to 88. Okay, so 44 multiplied by 2 is equals to 88. How we have find out? For example, look here, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, 2 4 the 8, so that's why 88. Okay, now in 68 multiplied by 1, I have already told you if you multiply any number with 1, the answer will remain same. If you multiply any number with 1, the answer will remain same. Okay, so here also as you can see 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. If you remember, if you multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. Okay, do remember this thing. Now 23 multiplied by 3, so 3 3 the 9, 3 2 the 6, so that's why 69. Okay, now afterwards 40 multiplied by 5. Okay, now 5 0 the 5 0 the 0, 5 4 the 20, 5 0 the 0, 5 4 the 20, so that's why 200 will be the answer. Okay, these parts I have given you as homework. Okay, these parts I have given you as homework. Now circle the multiplication sentence whose product lie between 100 and 120. Okay, this question here as you can see, circle the multiplication sentence whose product lie between 100 and 120. So what you have to do is you have to find the product of all these numbers. Okay, if you can find the product of all this number, you can see that if the answer is coming between 100 and 120, you have to circle that numbers. Okay, you have to circle that sentence. So firstly we will find 11 multiplied by 9. I have already told you to learn the table of 11 also. So you know that 11 multiplied by 9 will be 11 9 the 99. So 9 1 the 9, 9 1 the 9. So it is not coming between 100 and 120. Now here 13 multiplied by 9. Okay, so 9 3 the 27, 7 you will write it here and 2 you will write it here. Okay, always remember this thing, the back digit, the ones digit you have to write down and the tens digit you will write it up. Okay, so 9 1 the 9 plus 2 is 11, so this is 117. It is coming between 100 and 120, so you will circle that. Okay, now next is 15 7 the, so 7 5 the 35, 5 here and 3 up, 7 1 the 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, so 105. Okay, so this is also between 100 and 120, so you will circle this also. Okay, so two sentence you will circle. This is sentence. Okay, multiplication sentence. So similarly question number 3 is there, circle the multiplication sentence whose product is equal to the sum of 75 and 60. Okay, you have to find the actually you have to find that whether it is coming between you have to circle that number whose sum is between 75 and 60. Do remember this thing, you have to plus this number and then you have to circle. So, little bit different. Okay, so firstly 75 plus 60 is equals to I think 135, right? So then afterwards what you will do is you have to find whether any number that is coming between 135. Okay, like that is the answer is 135 or not. Okay, so now here next question is Tanmay has 35 students in one batch, means one class. Batch means just like a class. Okay, group of his dance class. Okay, if each batch has the same number of students, if every batch is having same number of students, how many students does Tanmay have in 4 batches? Means he is asking that how many students are there in 4 classes. If 35 students are there in one class, then how many students will be total if the same number is there in every class? So how many students will be there in 4 batches? I have told you when the value of one thing is given and then you have to find the value of many things, you have to multiply. Here the value of one class is given, that is 35 students, and here you are finding the value of more than one thing, that is 4, then you have to multiply. So what you will multiply? 35 and 4. Okay, so first statement will be number of students in one batch, that is 35, number of batches is 4, You can count students also, you can count batches also, that's why the number word we are using. Okay, so now total number of students in 4 batches is 4 into 35. Total number of students in 4 batches, that is, okay, total number of students in 4 batches is 4 into 35. So you will multiply 4 5 the 20, 0 up, 2 are down, 0 down, 2 up, 4 3 the 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So the answer will be 140. So it means that there are 140 students in the 4 batches. Okay. Similarly, the question number 5 is also there. There are 43 boats in a lake. So how many boats are there? Number of boats are 43. Each boat carry 4 people. Number of people carried by one boat can carry one boat. One boat can carry how many people? 4. So how many people do all the boats carry? So you have to find the total number of people they can carry. So what you will do? 43 multiplied by 4. Okay, similarly this 6 7 8 questions are same, so you can practice at home. Okay, if you want to. This question, fifth question, I have given you as homework, as you can see here. Okay, you can do this practice if you want to. You can practice the 6 7 8 in rough notebook. Okay, now ninth question we will come, because it is different as comparison to every other question. 2 types of biscuits are packed in 2 different boxes. As you can see, there are 2 cases here. Two boxes are there. One box is having 7 packets and packets of 12 biscuit each. Okay, so here that first box in which 7 packets are there, and in which one packet is having 12 biscuits. Okay, one packet is having 12 biscuits. The other box is 18 box has 18 packets. Now the other box is having total number of packets 18, and in this each packet, means one packet, is having 9 biscuits. Firstly, you have to find what is the total number of biscuit in these two boxes. You have to find that how many total biscuits are there. So what you will do here? Firstly, you will take cases. You can write first box also, you can write first case also, means if we are talking about only this part. Okay, we are talking about here only one box has 7 packets or 12 biscuit each. Only this part we are talking about. So that's why what we will do is only here we will take care. Okay, right now. So first case, number of packet is 7. Okay, firstly first line को हम tackle कर रहे हैं. Number of biscuit in one packet is 12. Here जो 7 packets हैं उसमें 12 biscuits हैं एक packet में. Now firstly you will find the total number of biscuit in 7 packets you have to find. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 12 here. So now afterwards 7 to the 14, 4 down, 1 up, 7 1 the 7 plus 1 8. Okay, so this are the 84 are the total biscuits in 7 packets in first case. जो first box है उसमें 84 biscuits हो गए. Next second case, number of packets in 18. Number of packets जो है आपके पास में second case में 18 है. Now this part we are talking about this. The other box is having 18 packets of 9 biscuit each. Second box की बात हो रही है. Number of biscuits in each packet are 9. अब 18 packets में हर packet में 9 biscuits हैं. We have to find number of biscuits in 18 packets. All 18 packets का निकालेंगे तो 18 multiply by 9. 9 8 the 72, 2 down, 7 up, 9 1 the 9, 9 plus 7 is 16. Okay, so now we have got in 18 packets total number of biscuits are 62. Now we have to find the we have to find the total number of biscuits in both the boxes. Okay, so total number of biscuits in 2 boxes or in both the boxes, we have to add this number 84 and 162. So when you will add, what you will get? 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 up, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 246 total biscuits are there. So total number of biscuits in 2 boxes are 246. Okay, so we have got the answer here, 246. Okay everyone, I hope that this is clear to you. Now this one we have already done, but I will make you revise. Make a multiplication sentence. I have already told you what do you mean by sentence when you are writing like this. When you are actually multiplying two numbers, that means a sentence. Okay, so you have to make sentence using the digit inside the triangle. So this digits you have to use, and you have to find the product also. Okay, one is done for you. As you can see here, what he is doing, the down digits he is multiplying. 2 8 the 16 or 8 to the 16. Okay, 2 8 the 16 or 8 to the 16. Similarly here 11 7 the 77 and 7 11 the 77. I hope that you remember. So we will write 11 7 the 77, 7 11 the 77, like this. Here also 8 3 the 24, 3 8 the 24. So this is the product given and these are the two numbers. Okay, beta, please remember this thing, that multiplier, what do you mean by multiplier and multiplicand, that I have to tell you. Here as you can see, in a multiplication sentence, the number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. Okay, means this one is your multiplicand. Okay, then and the number of which multiplicand is multiplied is called multiplier, so this one is multiplier. Okay, so here as you can see, 22 is multiplicand and 4 is the multiplier. So this one is multiplicand and this one is multiplier and this one is product. Do remember this thing. Okay, so here the multiplier is multiplicand is 11 and multiplier is 7. Here the multiplicand is 7 and multiplier is 11. Okay, do remember this thing. 8 here 8 3 the 24, 3 8 the 24, like this. So here 11 12 the 132, 12 11 the 132, that you can find. Okay, so now what is multiplier? Multiplier is this and multiplicand is this. Okay, the number that we write up is multiplicand, and the number which is we are writing down, that is multiplicand. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Sorry, I have said it wrong. So the number you are writing up, that is multiplicand, and the number you are writing down, that is multiplier, and this is product. To remember this thing, I hope that this exercise is clear to you. So, and one more thing that I want to tell you is that we will not be doing exercise 5.4. You can cut this exercise. We will not be doing this exercise. After that, again we will start with, we will not do this exercise now. When we will be able to complete our syllabus, then only we will be doing this exercise. After that, we will be coming to mental maths. Okay, a worksheet and mental maths. Okay, bye bye students.